guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then I am Raya. I'm a professional makeup artist and hairstylist. So I recently ordered so many MAC products to update my makeup kit. So that's why I thought I should share this with you guys and talk about this MAC product. So without doing any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, first I'm gonna talk about the base. You need to have a really good base for a long lasting makeup. So yeah, I think this is the perfect product you should have in your makeup kit. If you're doing professionally or you are a makeup lover, you should have this product in your kit, which is this is MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Spray. I already have like one or two of them before. This is my third bottle of MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Spray. This is a really good product. I've already done a review on this product, so I'm gonna link it down below. You should definitely check it, and this is a must buy product. One thing again, that this is a not makeup setting spray. There's a myth because of its name, because it's called Fix Plus, but this is not a makeup fixer. If you think that you have a crack line on your face and you can take little bit powder on your brush and puff it and then spray it, then it's gonna make it like it was and there was never a crack line or something. That's why it's called fixer, because it fixes everything. That's why. So next I have another really good product. This is the MAC Stove Cream, and this is in the shade Pink Light. This is the MAC Stove Cream. It gives you a really rosy gold like glow, and I used it already on my cheeks. As you can see, it's giving me a really like natural glowing skin. A year and a half before, they only have original one, which is the gold light, and they recently launched 6 shades. This is the one of them shades. This is the pink one. This is something I really love. This is MAC Fluid Studio Fix Fluid in SPF 15. This is a really good long wearing foundations because it has SPF 15 in it. You don't need to put sunscreen before doing your makeup, and this is really long lasting. This has a really water texture and when you apply it, it's glide over your skin really good, and when it sets, it's like concrete on your skin. It's not gonna bulge if you have a really good prep skin. So there's one thing I want to warn you, that they have 60 plus foundation shades, so you have to be really careful while choosing it. If you are really confused, you can go to your nearest MAC showroom, and they have testers. You can test there or get the perfect shade for you. They have like so many shades. You definitely gonna find yours. Okay, next I have, this is MAC Studio Fix Powder. This is a really good for long wearing because they are dehydrated foundation, so that's why it gives you a full coverage. Okay, this is the MAC Studio Fix. I really love this product. I have in the shade 42 for darker skin tones, and I have a 25 for lighter. Next I have 2 MAC blushes. So when I'm talking about blush, MAC have like so many kind of blushes. They have cream textures, they have powder textures, they have pigmented, they have like a shimmer texture. So I have 2 with me. This is a sheer tone blush, and this is a powder blush. So I was like really wanted to get the Melba. Unfortunately, Melba was out of stock back then, and so I bought in the shade Peaches. Who really like wearing a light blush, then this is for you. And this is a shade in the shade Fever. I really love this shade. This is a kind of pink, kind of brown shade, so I totally love this one. This is a powder blush I have. You can see this is the Fever shade. I already swatched it in my hand. So this is the 2 blushes I have. And next, the product is favorite since then. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is kind of highlighter, and in the shade Soft and Gentle. This is a really good peachy pearl shade. I just really love this. When I used to do my brides or something, I just always wanted to use it. Like, not only brides, in every makeup I want to use it. You can use it and it will give you a really nice finish. And I'm definitely gonna review all these products to you, but I need some time because some of the products I knew from really long time and some of the products are really new to me, so that's why I need time to do a review on it. So yeah, if you want to see the reviews and more makeup videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please like it. Without you guys support, I'm nothing. All of my work is nothing. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it. Till then,